Hey there, tool enthusiasts! If you're a handyman, contractor, or just love taking on DIY projects, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 10 of the latest power tools available on Amazon that will make your life so much easier. From cordless drills to innovative saws, these tools are game changers. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. The Makita 36-volt earth auger kit offers a powerful, eco-friendly alternative for digging tasks. Free from gas, emissions, oil mixing, and pull starts, it provides reduced maintenance and operates with significantly lower noise levels. Powered by a Makita-built BL brushless motor, the auger delivers performance comparable to a 36 cubic centimeters gas-powered earth auger, ensuring robust and efficient operation. This tool is designed to drill holes up to 8 inches wide and 41 inches deep, making it versatile for various applications. Its high-performance digging capabilities produce consistent, evenly shaped holes, which are ideal for landscaping, soil sampling, construction, and other outdoor tasks. Whether you're tackling post-hole digging, fence installations, large planting jobs, or construction projects, this auger ensures precision and efficiency. Number 2. The Tomahawk 5.5 HP Honda Vibratory plate compactor is a reliable and efficient tool for ground, gravel, dirt, and asphalt compaction. Powered by a GX160 Honda engine, it delivers 5.5 horsepower and can compact over 3,000 pounds per square foot, ensuring professional-grade results. With a travel speed of 79 feet per minute, this compactor boosts productivity, making it ideal for demanding projects. Its compact 17 by 21 inch plate allows easy maneuvering in cramped and narrow spaces, providing versatility in various work environments. Built for durability, the steel exciter box offers reinforced protection, while the unit remains light enough to ensure smooth and user-friendly operation. Number 3. The Stream Power US 2200-watt demolition jackhammer is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a wide range of heavy-duty tasks. It is ideal for demolition, trenching, chipping, and breaking holes in materials like concrete, block, brick, tile, stucco, and more, making it suitable for home and commercial projects. The adjustable 360-degree foregrip offers enhanced control and flexibility, allowing you to position the tool conveniently for any job. Compatible with 1 1/8 inch hex shank bits, the jackhammer delivers an impressive 1800 BPM for efficient and fast demolition. Operating at 110 volts 60 Hz, it is perfect for use in both residential and business settings. The kit includes a 16-inch scrap chisel, bull point chisel, flat chisel, protective gloves, goggles, and hex wrenches, providing everything you need for safe and effective operation. Number 4. The Amp Force 20-volt cordless router tool offers unparalleled cordless convenience, making it perfect for woodworking tasks without the limitations of cords. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it delivers up to 30,000 RPM and features 6 variable speeds to handle various projects with precision and ease. Its dual battery pack ensures extended runtime, providing continuous power for uninterrupted work. Designed for accuracy, the palm router includes easy depth adjustments and LED lights to enhance visibility, ensuring precise woodworking results. Ergonomically crafted for extended use, the hand router features a comfortable grip, an easy vacuum connection for effective dust control, and a compact design for portability. Accommodating most 1/4 inch bits, this versatile tool is ideal for both professional projects and DIY creativity, making it an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 5. The Saker upgraded router milling groove bracket is a professional woodworking tool designed to elevate precision and versatility in your projects. Compatible with 99% of trim routers on the market, this innovative tool is perfect for circular milling, equidistant slotting, straight edge trimming, and round edge trimming, making it essential for both professional and DIY craftsmanship. Its detachable design allows for quick and effortless assembly or disassembly, integrating seamlessly with a router guide to enhance its cutting capabilities. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy base, the bracket transforms into a multifunctional component, serving as a cabinet hardware template, router table insert plate, and various router templates for diverse applications. Its upgraded aluminum alloy construction ensures unparalleled stability and precision, delivering accurate results on a woodworking table. Compatible with a range of board materials, including MDF, chipboard, and solid wood, this versatile tool adapts to various milling table projects with ease. Whether for intricate designs or routine tasks, the Saker Router Milling Groove Bracket is the ultimate companion for woodworking excellence. Number 6. The Bosch GLL 50-2050 feet. Self-leveling crossline laser is a reliable and versatile tool designed to enhance precision in leveling tasks. It offers power flexibility, operating with 2 included AA batteries or an optional Bosch 3.7-volt lithium-ion 1.0 Ah battery, reducing downtime during projects. Built to endure tough conditions, the laser is IP55 rated, ensuring resistance to dust and rain commonly encountered on job sites. Delivering exceptional accuracy, it produces bright, thin lines that level with a precision of within 5/16 inch at 30 feet, making it ideal for detailed work. The smart pendulum system enables self-leveling functionality, while also signaling out-of-level conditions with a blinking light and locking securely when switched off for safe transportation. Ergonomically designed, this compact and lightweight laser is easy to handle, store, and use in various settings. Equipped with a Class 2 laser, it operates at 630 to 650 nanometers with a power output of less than 5 milliwatts, ensuring effective performance for professional and DIY applications alike. Number 7. The DCK Random Orbital Sander is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a variety of sanding and finishing applications. Equipped with a durable 3.0 amp copper motor, it delivers up to 12,000 OPM with 6 variable speeds, allowing for precise control tailored to the task. Low speeds are ideal for flat surfaces, while higher speeds suit most professional and DIY sanding needs. This corded sander is perfect for extended use on benches or large surfaces. The efficient dust collection system, featuring a secure dust bag with a rubber-sealed port and good airflow, ensures a clean work environment by capturing shavings, fine dust, and particles during operation. The hook and loop design allows for quick sandpaper changes and reusability. With 10 sandpapers included, grits ranging from 80 to 320, it accommodates multiple applications, from smoothing surfaces to achieving fine finishes. Designed with comfort in mind, the sander features a rubberized ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue and improves control during extended tasks. Low vibration performance ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish, while its lightweight design, 3.43 pounds, makes it easy to operate with one hand. Ideal for woodworking, furniture restoration, and even metalwork, this tool delivers high performance and versatility for any project. Number 8. The Hupar Tools Heat Gun is a versatile and heavy-duty tool designed for precision and efficiency across a range of applications. With its 12 variable temperature control modes and 2 airflow options, it offers precise temperature adjustments from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1110 degrees Fahrenheit, heating up in just 1.5 seconds. Mode 1 provides a gentle 250 liters per minute airflow, ideal for delicate tasks, while Mode 2 delivers a robust 550 liters per minute for demanding jobs. The large LED display ensures clear visibility of settings, even outdoors, and the oversized buttons simplify operation. Equipped with a memory function, the heat gun recalls your last used settings for seamless task resumption, saving time on repetitive adjustments. Its standing design with a reinforced flat base allows hands-free operation and safe cooling after use, enhancing efficiency and safety. The ceramic heating core ensures rapid, even heating, while dual turbofans, a fireproof PA6 plus 30 GF enclosure, and overheat protection guarantee durability and safe operation. This heat gun includes 4 nozzles and a paint knife, enabling precise airflow and focused heat for tasks like shrink wrapping, crafting, stripping paint, soldering, PVC bending, and more. The 1.8-meter cable offers ample workspace, making it an indispensable tool for both professional and DIY applications. Number 9. The CZI 2-in-1 cordless 8-inch pole saw and mini chainsaw, model CH888, offers a practical solution for pruning and cutting tasks. It transitions seamlessly between a handheld mini chainsaw for ground-level cutting and a pole saw for high branches. With an adjustable pole extending from 6 feet to 10 feet, it provides a maximum reach of 16 feet, eliminating the need for ladders. This saw features an 8-inch cutting surface, doubling the cutting area of a 4-inch chainsaw and surpassing 6-inch models by 33%. It is designed to tackle thicker branches efficiently. Powered by an 800-watt motor and a manganese steel chain, it can cut through 8-inch logs in just 12 seconds, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Equipped with 221-volt 4,000 mAh lithium batteries, each providing up to 50 minutes of runtime, it delivers extended performance without interruptions. Safety is prioritized with 8 protective features, including a security lock, safety baffles, reinforced pole, anti-slip handle, and accessories like a shoulder strap, gloves, and goggles. Weighing only 3.6 pounds as a mini chainsaw and 7.2 pounds as a pole saw, it is lightweight and ergonomic, suitable for all users, including women and seniors. This tool is ideal for trimming tree branches, hedges, and shrubs, and for cutting logs up to 8 inches in diameter. It is user-friendly, efficient, and a valuable addition to any gardening or landscaping task. Number 10. The 10-inch Shop Master Miter Saw with Laser is designed for versatility and precision in your cutting tasks. It is compatible with virtually all miter saw stands, making it easy to integrate into your workspace. The saw features a spindle lock that securely holds the spindle while the blade nut is loosened and removed, ensuring safe blade changes. With a cutting capacity that handles nominal 4x4 and 2x6 lumber at 90 degrees and 2x6 lumber in a single pass, this saw is ideal for various woodworking projects. Its mitering capabilities allow it to tilt 45 degrees to the left and right, with convenient stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees for accurate angled cuts. The saw operates at 120 volt with a 15 amp motor, delivering a blade speed of 5,500 RPM, making it powerful enough to tackle tough materials. The 10-inch diameter blade with a 5/8-inch arbor ensures smooth, precise cuts. Weighing in at 29.5 pounds, this saw is compact and sturdy, providing both portability and stability for your cutting needs.